How to add a transition between multiple clips in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and make sure your clips are placed in the timeline where you want to add transitions. Next, move your playhead to the cut point between two clips. Then, go to the effects library located at the top left corner of the interface. Inside, find the video transition folder. Here you will see main transition options like cross dissolve, dip to color, wipe, and more. After that, simply drag and drop the transition you want onto the cut between your clips in the timeline. You will notice the transition icon appears and the clips will blend smoothly during playback. You can adjust the duration of the transition by clicking on the edge of the transition icon in the timeline and dragging it left or right to make it shorter or longer. If you want to customize the transition further, select the transition on the timeline and open the inspector panel on the top right. Here you can tweak settings like transition style, duration, and other specific options depending on the transition you choose. Finally, play back your timeline to see how the transition looks and make any adjustment if necessary. And that's it. Now you know how to add a transition between multiple clips in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.